everybody, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, CarolinaTrailerSales.com. We're located in Colfax, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and you can reach me at 828-773-4500. So this is a 2009 Sundowner Signature Series, 8012. So it's an 8 wide, 12 foot short wall. Sunlite 720. It is an all aluminum trailer. It is 8 tall, 8 wide. So let me kind of spin around, show you this trailer. It does have a hydraulic jack, 2 propane tanks, 2 batteries, stainless nose. You'll see kind of the Signature Series Sunlite 720 emblem. This trailer does have an escape door. It does have manger storage. The mangers are nice and big with extra storage on the door. Now, the drop windows do not have bars. So I just want to notate, you can put the nice screens in there, but they do not have bars. They're big, huge windows with sliders with bars, but not the actual bars that stay up when you put the window down. So I just want to notate that. So back door, 2 50-50 back doors. The rear bumper is a little chewed up, so I want to notate that. Swing out saddle rack. There are a few of the plastic Sundowner, notorious plastic Sundowner hooks that are broken. You can add extra hooks up above, but just wanted to notate that. It is a swing out saddle rack, I think I said that. There's some staining on the mats, no issues. Just some staining on the back of the mat here. It does have 2 mangers, has an escape door, walk-through door, roof vents, notorious Sundowner roof vents that don't match the color. I've never figured that one out. Sliders on the rear. Back wall is in excellent shape. All along the wall, there is just some places here we kind of notated that it's just where the rubber is a little torn there. Does have a lower divider, telescopic rear divider. It is padded, all the padding is in good shape. Some of the screens have a few small holes in them, so just wanted to notate that. You can kind of see those screens have a few small holes. Okay. This trailer does have a really big awning. It's in good shape. It does have this nice, the Signature Series have these nice 2 steps. It does have a way to hook propane in here for a grill. Several 110 outlets here on the side of the trailer. So I'm just going to step up in the LQ. Really pretty trailer. These Signature Series back in the mid-2000s were really pretty trailers. So real wood door cabinetry in here, big fridge. It's a soft touch wall and ceiling. Has a little fancy decor up there in the nose. Everything on the ceiling is capped in the wood. Couch does make a bed. Like I said, the decor is real pretty in this trailer. It does have a double sink with a cover. It does have a 2-burner propane stove, microwave, two steps up to the bed. Does have good storage, 2 closets, a short and a tall here. Both, well, this one's hanging. It does have the table. Great for boots there. Now, this has a big square shower, big shower. So cabinets in here, I'm sorry, not cabinets, it's 2 hanging spots in here as well. The wall is textured soft touch, it's real pretty. sink and vanity. I'm going to spin back around and show you this shower. So this is a squared off shower. But what it makes it is pretty big. So big shower. All right, so Signature Series 8012, being an 12-foot short wall. This is a great size trailer. Makes it about 26-foot box. Not too big. Very roomy in here with a no slide. There's a lot of room in this trailer, for sure. All right, so I'm gonna step back out. Definitely like the steps. So, 2009 Sundowner Signature Series. Carolina Trailer Sales, CarolinaTrailerSales.com. Everyone have a great day.